Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be pulling messages from the collective consciousness. Take what resonates. Not every message will be your message. I'm going to be reading energy so your gender doesn't matter. I want to thank everybody that has donated to me. I really do appreciate you, and I pray that the divine blesses you 1,000 times more. I also want to thank everybody that has liked and shared my post. Thank you. I really do appreciate you. That's how we get the messages out to other people. Okay? So we're just going to go ahead and get started with the reading. At the back of the deck, we have the Temperance, the Earth Angel. Okay? Let's get some more messages. What do we have for the collective? We have the World. We have the World. Let's get one more card with the Six of Wands. Let's start this message. I'm getting a Earth Angel, divine being, is coming into a new cycle. A Earth Angel, divine being, is coming into a new cycle. This cycle will be very prosperous. This cycle will be very victorious. This Earth Angel is protected by the spirit world. This Earth Angel is protected by the underworld and by the divine forces. This Earth Angel is highly protected. This is why this Earth Angel is succeeding. I'm getting people win against this Earth Angel. I'm getting people in their inner circle. I'm getting people that lives close to this Earth Angel. I'm getting neighbors was coming up against this Earth Angel. Co-workers. Okay? I'm getting people that this Earth Angel didn't even know. Hidden haters. I'm getting hidden haters. People coming up against this person. But these individuals better watch out. These individuals better understand that this Earth Angel is protected by the underworld. This Earth Angel is protected by the dogs of the underworld. You better believe it, and you better understand it. Anybody that come up against this Earth Angel will be hunted down by the dogs of the underworld. And this is no game. This is no game. You want to come up against this Earth Angel, you better be prepared for a battle. You better be prepared. Let's get some more energy. We have the 8. We have the 8 of Swords. Okay? We have the 8 of Swords. Okay? These people will be isolated. These people will be in their head, in their feelings. These people will feel hopeless. These people will feel trapped dealing with this Earth Angel because the dogs of the underworld will hunt you down. The hounds of the underworld will find you. And don't play victim. Do not play victim when karma comes around, because karma has been watching. The divine has been watching. The underworld has been watching, taking notes. The scribes has been taking notes. And every little action you have been doing, every little negative thought you have been thinking about this Earth Angel has been written down by the ancient scribes. And please know this. You will be hunted down by the dogs. And we have the Wheel of Fortune. This earth angel is coming into a new cycle. This earth angel is coming into a new chapter of their life. Okay? Anybody that come up against this earth angel will fall. This is what I'm getting. This is what I'm hearing. I'm getting people in their immediate circle, people at their job, people that lives close to this individual are trying to come up against this earth angel, but this earth angel is a wounded warrior. This person knows how to fight spiritual battles. This earth angel is very relentless. This earth angel is very courageous. This person has a lot of courage. Okay? This person knows how to battle spiritual battles. Especially with toxic individuals. People that think that they got the upper hand. All this earth angel have to do is shine the light. And Archangel Gabriel will come down and blow the horn and call judgment on these demonic energies. These demonic energies that do things in the background. They think all their actions are hidden, but they're not. They get behind the scenes and try to cast their little witchcraft, voodoo, spell work, santeria, dark magic. They try to do anything to knock this earth angel. They try to do anything to knock this earth angel down, but they can't. They won't be able to. I'm getting that with this 5 of Wands, these people that are in the background will experience a lot of chaos in their life, a lot of conflict in their life. The moment that they think they got this earth angel trapped, they will experience a lot of chaos. They will experience a lot of death. Whether this is a physical death, whether this is a spiritual death, but they will experience this because they chose to go up against this high power earth angel. The dogs of the underworld will come and collect. They will come and collect your soul. I'm getting that whoever come up against this earth angel is bound to fail. Because I'm getting that this earth angel is protected by Anubis, the dog of the underworld, the Grim Reaper. I'm getting that the moment they even think about coming up against this earth angel, they have already sealed their fate. Let's get some sacred symbols. Okay, this is a message to all the haters, to all the individuals that think that they are safe behind closed doors, doing things behind closed doors. You are coming into stormy times. It doesn't matter how high ranking you think you are coming into stormy times, because you are dealing with a earth angel healer, somebody that is protected by ancients, the ancients, okay? Somebody that is protected by Anubis. You cannot get away with the things or you think you can get away with, okay? Just because you think people didn't see you, the spirit world saw you. And the moment you think you got away with it, you didn't. You didn't get away with it, because this earth angel have safe travel. You cannot do anything harmful to this earth angel. Okay? The moment you send out that negative energy, that earth angel will transmute it. You will start feeling weak in your body. The moment you send out that negative energy, that earth angel will not send it back. That earth angel will transmute it and use it. This is what I'm getting. This earth angel is protected by the ancients, by the ancient forces. This earth angel is protected by the ancient forces. And there's nothing you can do about it. Nothing you will ever can do about it. Okay? So this is the end of the message. If you like this message and it resonated, please like and share, and I'll see you next time.